I just wanted to show you guys these thornless honey locust pods that I collected in the winter, but unfortunately I should have brought them inside, but I actually kept them outside in a black garbage bag. And when I dump them out now just to let them air out, you can see that, well, they're moldy and there's like insects on it. And well, the thing is that they're all germinating now. As you can see, the roots are coming out of the pods themselves, because these seeds stratified outside during the winter, and now that it's spring they're starting to germinate. So as you can see, well, I'll plant this up, but it has already, the seed has already sent out roots. The this one even has sent out the cotyledons, the baby leaves. And so all of these here, they'd have to be planted up right now, and so they cold stratified outside. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you that.